Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Are you a knife snob like my husband is? Well, then you should definitely have a set of Damascus steel knives in your collection. This set from Shiny Crafts has been the perfect addition to my husband's knife collection. He loves this set because the blades are really sharp. They are a beautiful Damascus steel design, and they have lovely wood handles, which have a nice heft and feel really good in the hand. This set of knives is called full tang, so the blade goes all the way through the handle, which is a sign of a much nicer quality knife, and it's going to last you a lot longer than a blade that is just attached to the handle. These knives arrived razor sharp. My husband did his test of trying to shave his arm hair with them, and he was able to right out of the package. They're also easy to sharpen with a knife sharpener, so you can always keep that razor sharp edge. We love these Damascus steel knives. They're so sharp, they work really well, and they're just a beautiful addition to our collection. I think they'd really elevate your knife collection as well, but that's just my point of view.